Hi, I'm Rob Issam, the Complete Streets and Vision Zero Coordinator for the City of Roanoke. I'm here at the roundabout at Overland and Colonial here at Virginia Western Community College. We've installed new rectangular rapid flashing beacons to increase safety for pedestrians. So you can activate the rectangular rapid flashing beacon either by pressing this button or just waving your hand like this. Wait for the audible feedback to let you know the yellow lights are flashing.
Yellow lights are flashing.
Before you try to nose into the intersection. When you're crossing, it's super important. You cross this first lane and then also check to make sure that the traffic in the second lane is stopping too. Appreciate it. Then if you need more time, you could activate the beacon there and then I look again. But if you have plenty of time, you just walk safely across just like that.
As you're approaching this roundabout, if you see any of the lights flashing, and just then they illuminated here, I know there's gonna be a pedestrian in this crosswalk, so I'm preparing to stop, I'm slowing, and there's the pedestrian. I'm gonna stop well ahead of the crosswalk, allow the pedestrian to cross safely, and when they've completely made it across to the sidewalk, then I can proceed, and that was perfect.